Cleaning your car at home isn't just about appearances. It's about care, pride, and prolonging the life of something you rely on almost every day. And while it might seem easier to swing by a drive-through car wash or pay someone else to do the dirty work, there's something rewarding about rolling up your sleeves and giving your vehicle the hands-on attention it deserves. Plus, when done right, washing your car at home can be more thorough, more cost-effective, and surprisingly therapeutic. It's not just a chore, it's a chance to slow down, focus on the details, and reconnect with a space that often gets overlooked until it's coated in dust, pollen, or the evidence of a bird's poor decision-making. Click the link in the description below to get our 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a bonus. You'll also get access to our free community made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Start by choosing the right time and place. Ideally, wash your car in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun isn't at full strength. Direct sunlight can cause soap and water to dry too quickly, leaving behind streaks or water spots. Pick a shaded driveway or even a grassy area if possible and legal in your area, which can also help reduce runoff. Make sure all windows are rolled up tight and double-check that you've removed any personal items from the interior: trash, forgotten snacks, reusable bags, or toys that somehow multiplied under the seats. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need 2 large buckets, one for soapy water, one for rinsing, a car-specific soap. Never use dish soap, it can strip protective wax, microfiber wash mitts or soft sponges, a soft bristled brush for tires, microfiber towels for drying, and a hose with an adjustable nozzle or a pressure sprayer if available. It's tempting to dive right in, but preparation is your friend here. Fill one bucket with warm water and soap, the other with plain water for rinsing your mitt between sections. This 2-bucket method helps prevent dirt from being reapplied to the car's surface, reducing the risk of scratches. Begin with the wheels. They're usually the dirtiest part of the car and deserve their own tools to avoid transferring grime to the paint. Spray them down thoroughly, then scrub with a tire brush and a dedicated wheel cleaner or soapy water. Get into the grooves, around the lug nuts, and behind the spokes if possible. Rinse them clean and move on. Tackling the wheels first ensures that you won't splash dirty water onto freshly cleaned panels later. Now it's time for the main event, the body. Rinse the entire car with water to loosen dirt and grime, starting from the roof and working your way down. This simple step reduces the amount of debris you'll be dragging across the paint. Using your soapy mitt, wash the car in sections: roof, windows, hood, trunk, sides, and finally the bumpers and lower panels. Always move in straight lines rather than circles to avoid swirl marks. Rinse each section after washing it, especially on hot days, to keep soap from drying on the surface. When the exterior is clean, rinse the entire car again to remove any lingering suds. Then it's time to dry. Don't let it air dry, it'll leave behind water spots. Use clean, dry microfiber towels or a soft chamois cloth, and pat rather than drag the towel across the surface. Drying isn't just about aesthetics, it also helps protect the paint and clear coat from mineral deposits found in tap water. If you're feeling extra detail-oriented, open the doors and trunk to wipe down the door jambs, those often forgotten areas that collect dirt and grime over time. With the exterior looking sharp, turn your attention to the interior. Start by removing floor mats and shaking them out. Vacuum the seats, floorboards, and under the seats where road crumbs, paper clips, and coins tend to hide. Use a crevice tool for tight spots, and don't forget the trunk. Wipe down surfaces with a damp microfiber cloth: dashboard, center console, cup holders, door panels, then follow up with an interior safe cleaner if needed. For screens, buttons, and vents, use a soft detailing brush or even a dry paintbrush to gently sweep away dust. If your seats are leather, apply a leather conditioner to keep them soft and prevent cracking. For cloth seats, consider using a fabric cleaner for any spots or stains. Don't neglect the inside of the windows. Smudges, fingerprints, and film from the AC can build up and reduce visibility. Use a streak-free glass cleaner and a clean microfiber towel, working in circular motions to get them sparkling clear. To finish things off, replace your floor mats, add an air freshener if you like, and give yourself a moment to appreciate your work. Your car doesn't just look cleaner, it feels renewed, like it's breathing easier. You'll notice the difference immediately. Smoother finishes, a tidier cabin, and the quiet satisfaction that comes from doing something properly with your own hands. And chances are you'll drive differently afterward, sitting a bit taller, treating the space with a little more care, maybe even resisting the urge to toss fast food wrappers in the back seat just this once. If you want to take things further, consider applying a wax or sealant to protect the paint and give it an extra layer of shine. It adds time to the job, but it's worth it. Water will bead off beautifully and dirt won't stick as easily. And like any good routine, the more often you clean your car, the easier it becomes. A monthly wash and a light weekly tidy-up can keep your vehicle looking and feeling like new. Ultimately, cleaning your car at home isn't just about aesthetics, it's about stewardship. It's about caring for something that carries you through life's daily journeys, big and small. It's about pausing in a busy week to show appreciation for the space that shelters you from rain, carries your groceries, ferries your family, and faithfully gets you where you need to go. And when you drive off in a freshly cleaned car, windows gleaming, interior smelling like lemon or pine or just plain clean, you're not just running errands, you're traveling in something that feels like it matters again. Click the link below to get your free top 10 cleaning products guide and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist. And join our free community. And don't forget to please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode.